SDS 9 pads, 11 of them on top. Triple bass drum on the bottom. Triple bass on the bottom. Yeah, 11 on top. I love it. All surrounding the Simmons SD-1500 drum kit. The Roland Octopad SPD-30. And releases 12-channel board. Casio 6500 workstation. So what we have here is the 11 pads up top. The SD-1500 kit on the bottom. The SPD-30 right here. Bass drum, bass drum, bass drum. And the Simmons are going through the Roland TD-10. The SPD-30 also is has a couple of pads going through it. And the Simmons kit. Alright, that's cool. That's it. A little gong action.